Alright, brand new day, you guys. Today, as you can see, we are getting some canes. But we're supposed to go run the Mustang on like an airstrip in Wisconsin. So, pretty excited, pretty stoked to see what this Mustang does, or like, even see what the track is about in Wisconsin. It's just an airstrip, airfield that people don't use a lot. So, but first off, we must get some canes. So, we'll see you guys there. We have made it to the airstrip. Look at this. This is pretty sick. So we got a bunch of cones and stuff laid out. Let's just see what it's all about. Wow, there's not a lot of cars here, but yeah. We got, it's super windy out here, but we got some really good runs in the Mustang on this private airstrip here. And yeah, come on out, you guys. Great for roll racing, great for digs. I think they pretty much got it set up for digs though. Quarter mile, so you guys do have a quarter mile going all the way down there. Really great track. The Mustang actually hooks pretty good, so hey, don't be shy. Come on out, you guys. It's only like half an hour, 45 minutes away, so not too bad. You guys come check it out. But yeah, basically this is the staging area, as I'll show you guys. But staging here, and then you'll go across over there, line up, ready, set, go down the track. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Come check it out. This is absolutely great that we're finally starting to achieve something like this, getting some private track runs, you know, renting out a strip. Like, this is totally huge. totally unheard of, and we're finally getting started doing this stuff. So I'm hoping this will take off and help more people actually show up and start doing some of these events. So this is actually pretty fun going down the track, I gotta say. I should say airstrip. So pretty thankful to all of them for being able to rent out the airstrip, you know, having insurance, all that good stuff taken care of, you know, the permits and everything. So very, very happy that we're able to finally run on an airstrip or some sort of track, runway, and stay off the streets. Very thankful. So big things coming. I think this is a complete game changer. It is like a good, you know, 40-50 minute drive outside the cities, like I said, which isn't bad considering, I mean, you're out, you know, 4 hours a night anyways, right? So, you know, hour drive outside the cities. They're thinking about $100 a person. You have to have a helmet, $100 a person. So I don't really think that's too bad considering what you really do anyways. And then, like I said, we're out here 6 to 8 hours. Hey man, you could run anyone you really want and run them back to back to back. And like I said, the stretch is quarter mile, so that's plenty of space to get it in. If you can't gap them within that quarter mile, hey man, you gotta up the horsepower or something. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I'm really liking it so far. we'll see how long they can keep it going. See, try to get other groups to come in and have some fun, because I thought that was pretty fun with just the 6 or 7 cars we had. I had a blast, honestly. So I can't imagine if we had like 50 cars, you know, 80 cars. You know, I think this is great for us, and like I said, this is a complete game changer. I know we all want this, and it's not 5 minutes down the road, no, but you know, it's a nice runway. So hope you guys enjoy it. I really want to see everyone out there. Peace.